Hi guys, today I'm gonna talk to you about what I carry in my bag. This is my wonderful bag. It's I don't know which brand, but I got it from ASOS.com, and I really love it because it's really big enough to fit all my stuff that I need desperately all the time. With like a tent and coffee machine and everything goes here. Great. Yeah, for starters, this sucker, I can't go anywhere without this one. I mean, even if the bag is smaller, I need my phone because I have everything on my phone, like important stuff like games, Google Hangouts, and, internet. Then I've got mineral water. I mean, this is actually just a normal tap water inside, but the bottle's from mineral water, and I never go out without water because I keep being thirsty, and even just the thought of not being of being without water makes me just thirsty and just nervous. Then I got a hand cream, an almond one. I mean, it's not just a hand cream, it's actually a body butter, but I'm using it as a hand cream because I want to keep my hands and nails moisturized. Then I have a bunch of fruit bars, and these are actually diabetics friendly because they don't contain any added sugar, and they're really healthy. They don't have a lot of calories, and one is flavor of berries and the other one is muesli. Then I've got some tissues, of course, and a bunch of stuff like driver's license, my ID, my sultanic card, my student card, a tiny little comb, some bank credit cards. Then I've got Swarovski pen, very important, the floss, and also very important, eye drops, because as I'm sure you guys know by now, I'm using contact lenses and I'm pretty much lost without my eye drops, because contact lenses just make your eyes very dry and very sensitive, and I need them in the end of the day. Another comb, for teasing the hair, and some random medicines like for throat and for stomach, just in case, being one dress. I'm dropping the pen. I'm so scared. Oh my god. And this is actually a tiny drawer inside the bag. So this is where I have like all the things that I showed you. And this is the bag. So in the bigger department, I have my wallet. I got this one from New Look and it's really cute. I love watermelon and fruits in general. I've got a little address book, or just random notebook for writing down different stuff. Another hair clip. I can't go without these. These are so useful, for making yourself like a nice fluffy voluminous ponytail. A hairbrush, a little pour already. It's all like someone sat on it. I hope it wasn't me. I've got a spray for my ears. It's just, for cleaning your ears. And a deodorant, of course. That's it. Oh god, my purse is really not that interesting. Yeah, that's all I'm having inside for the moment. And yeah, these are like the things that I really can't go without. And if I was, getting around a lot and, just traveling, I would definitely, take some other things inside my purse as well. But as I'm just using it like for my everyday purse, for not moving around much and going mostly around with my car, where I also, have some things, then I just, don't need that much. And well, deodorant is just like indispensable because I'm just having such a bad feeling if I would just sense that I'm kind of not smelling the nicest, or that I don't know, that I forgot to use it in the morning, I would lose my mind probably. This really makes me nervous. About my hands as well, is if I have that dry skin on my hands and like on elbows and stuff, it makes me so nervous. It makes me itchy and stuff, and I just need a cream. I don't know, whatever you have in your skin, if you put on some cream, whatever cream that is, it will usually help. That's why I love having it. Also the hair clip, if I don't know, it gets hot or whatever, I don't have a really good hair day, you know, I'm gonna use this one. I know for the notes, I am mostly like, and it's really cute. I got it for present, and I think it's really cute. It's like teenage, you know, girly themed with a little like plushy bear on it. It's really cute. Yeah, I mean, I do use notes on my iPhone, of course, but you know, sometimes it's just cuter to actually write it down. And when you're like thinking about something, when you're writing down your thoughts, sometimes you just don't feel like writing them in your iPhone notes, but like having actual physical notes, sometimes it's much more like sympathetic and just better. I don't know. Yeah, the brush, I always have to have a brush. I used to have a detangler in my purse, but now I'm rather keeping it at my home. And you know, to go, I just have like a random small brush just to go through my hair, like if something important's going on during the day or if there's a lot of wind. I will usually have to recomb my hair because my hair is gets really messy because I have a lot of hair, so I need to, you know, like put it in place. And you know, wallet, of course. I mean, I always need wallet. I mean, you can't go anywhere without a wallet, right? That's right. Please comment down below if you agree that, you know, you shouldn't have that much stuff in your bag, but also please let me know what you carry in your bag and what else should I add maybe in my bag. And yeah, if you can share this video if you thought it was interesting and if it was inspiring, you know, for you guys to tell you know what you should carry in your purse from now on, please do share it by Twitter or by email or however you want, and you'll do me a great favor because I'm doing these videos for you and I'm really enjoying doing this. So bye.